Hey guys, welcome to Riggs Garage. Today I'm going to be starting up the 454 Chevy C10 and burping that coolant system. If you haven't seen the video yet, I did a cooling system overhaul with a new aluminum radiator. Check out the link above, but I'm going to fire this up. It's freezing. I threw on my wife's sunglasses and high of like 8 degrees today, so it's 8 degrees right now. So I'm going to fire up that truck while it's still kind of warm. It's kind of still a cold start because the garage is cold, but not 8 degrees cold. And we'll burp the system, make sure there's no leaks, make sure there's no fuel leaks, and we'll see that new lock cylinder that I installed in the last video. We'll see that in action, and let's do this. Hit that like button and subscribe to the Riggs Garage channel. Hit that bell for notifications. Push them away to 1,000 subscribers. It looks like it's going to happen pretty soon. I appreciate everybody who has tuned in and had fun with me here. Thank you. Battery. Here's a beautiful new radiator. Let's get it out in the sunlight here. Out of here and squeezing the hose. Radiator's starting to warm up a little bit. Let's go look at the temperature gauge. We're moving. Woo! Never get tired of that. Woo! Checking for fuel leaks on my new fuel filter. I'm not smelling anything so far, that's good. I think the water here is from the installation. Someone dry it up and make sure it's not going back. That thermostat opens up. I don't see any leaks so far, that's awesome. There we go. Thermostat just opened. The bubble's pouring out. That's all I've got for today. Just a short episode, letting you get in on that burp and seeing a cold start and enjoying the 8-degree weather with me out here today on Riggs Garage. If you like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.